In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to download Skype on iPhone. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open your app store. Here we go. At the top you can see the search bar. Type there Skype. And then at the bottom right corner you can see search. Tap on it. Now here you can see that app has appeared. Now on the right corner you can see this arrow showing downwards. You just have to click on it. You have to wait for a few seconds so it will be downloaded to your iOS and then you can easily open and use this app. I hope now you guys are totally clear about how to download Skype on iPhone. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know in the comment section what video YouTube recommends you on the screen and I will see you there.